Good morning, my dear children. I'm here again to teach you the subject EVS. So, open your EVS book. Okay, this is your EVS book. Take out your EVS book. Page number 7. Chapter 2. Today we start a new chapter, okay? Chapter 2. Our body. Our body. So, today we learn about our body, okay? Like the body of every human being, your body too is made up of many different parts. Every part has a name. Hands, legs, eyes, nose, ears, and head are the names of some of your body parts. Each body part is important and does some work or the other. So, like the body of every human beings. Human beings means we, the people. Like the body of every human being, your body too is made up of many different parts. Our body is also made up of many different parts. We have a body and all this body has different parts, okay? Different parts, and every part has a name and all the parts has a name, okay? All the parts has a name. Hands, legs, eyes, nose, ears and head are the names of some of your body parts. See, all these are the names of our body parts. And not only this, we have many more names. There are more body parts. And each body part is important. So, all the body parts are very important and it does some work or the other. All the body parts do some work. So, now look at this picture. We see a boy standing, no, and we see the different parts of the body mentioned here. See, there are many names. So all these are the parts of our body and all the parts has its own name. Now we'll learn about this one by one, okay? So first look, hair. H-A-I-R, hair. H-A-I-R, hair. So look this. What is this? This is a hair. Hair. Means you know what is hair? Hair. Okay? This is hair. And next it is written, see, H-E-A-D, head. 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 It's not hair. Hair is this. But head means our sir. In Hindi we say sir, okay? So head, H-E-A-D, head. Now next look, eye. Which part is this? This is eye, E-Y-E, eye. Okay, this is our eye. Now next see, this is our mouth, M-O-U-T-H, mouth, M-O-U-T-H, mouth. Now next we see below the mouth what we have? This chin. This is our chin, okay? C-H-I-N, chin. C-H-I-N, chin. Now come to the next part, forehead. Which part is this? This is our forehead. F-O-R-E-H-E-A-D, forehead. F-O-R-E-H-E-A-D, forehead. This is our forehead. Okay. Now next look. What is this? This is our ear. Ear. E-A-R, ear. E-A-R, ear. Now look at this picture. This is our cheek. This is our cheek. C-H-E-E-K, cheek. C-H-E-E-K, cheek. The next we have our nose. See, this is our nose. N-O-S-E, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. Now look, what is this? This is our thumb. This is thumb. T-H-U-M-B, thumb. Okay, T-H-U-M-B, thumb. It is thumb. Now see, this is our hand. H-A-N-D, hand. H-A-N-D, hand. And these are our fingers. F-I-N-G-E-R-S, fingers. F-I-N-G-E-R-S, fingers. Okay, these are our fingers, hand. We call this thumb. Now look, this part, what do we call it? This is arm. This is an arm. A-R-M, arm. Okay, A-R-M, arm. Now come to the next one. See, this chest. This part is called chest. C-H-E-S-T, chest. C-H-E-S-T, chest. Now next one we have stomach. See, this is our stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. This is our stomach. Okay. Now look at this part. This is called our thigh. T-H-I-G-H, thigh. T-H-I-G-S, thigh. Okay, this is our thigh. And it is our knee. This part is called knee. K-N-E-E, knee. K-N-E-E, knee. Now come to the next one. See, this is our ankle. This is called ankle. A-N-K-L-E, ankle. A-N-K-L-E, ankle. Now next one, this is called our toe. Okay, toe. T-O-E, toe. We call this toe. Now come to the next side. Now see, this part. What do we call to this part? This is our neck. N-E-C-K, neck. Okay, this is our neck. N-E-C-K, neck. And the next one is our shoulder. See, shoulder. Shoulder. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R, shoulder. See, this is our shoulder. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R, shoulder. The next one, this is called elbow. E-L-B-O-W, elbow. This is our elbow. Okay. Now see, which part is this? This is navel. N-A-V-E-L, navel. This is called navel. N-A-V-E-L, navel. And this is our leg. L-E-G, leg. And this is our foot. F-O-O-T, foot. Okay, it is our foot. So, my dear children, today you will look at this body, means you look at this picture very carefully and try to understand which part is called with what name. Okay, different parts has its own name. So look this body properly and try to learn the spelling of each body parts. Okay, and try to understand which part is called with which name. Okay, so today only this much. Thank you.